Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not working properly on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. Let's jump right into it. Method 1. Check and correct your date and time settings. Sometimes, incorrect date and time settings can prevent your Mac from connecting to the internet. Here's how to fix that. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. In the sidebar, click on General. On the right side, select Date and Time. First, turn off the option Set Time and Date automatically. Now, manually set the correct date and time. Also, turn off Set Time Zone automatically and choose your correct time zone manually. Once everything is accurate, you can turn both options back on. This simple adjustment fixes the problem for many users. If it doesn't work for you, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Reset your Wi-Fi settings. Sometimes your Wi-Fi settings just need a little reset. Here's how to do it. Click on the Apple logo and go to System Settings. From the sidebar, select Wi-Fi. Click Details next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the Proxies tab. Make sure all proxy settings are unchecked. If any box is checked, uncheck it. Now go back and click the three dots next to your network name. Select Forget this network, then confirm by clicking Remove. Restart your Mac from the Apple menu. After restarting, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect. Once connected, click on Details again next to your network. Open the DNS tab. Add the following DNS servers: 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2.2. These are fast and reliable public DNS servers by Google and others. Now, open any browser and check if your Wi-Fi is working properly.